last chance, I'll fire you. Yesterday he was there at 8. And I was going to fire him. I told my wife, look, I don't want to get involved. Next time I'll fire him. See, if we don't inculcate discipline in our youth, trust me. Because you are stealing from me, my business is collapsing. Why do I make money to expand the business to employ more people?
I mean, from what you're saying, I get the sense that they have this sense of entitlement.
No.
Okay.
Not sense of entitlement as if the company, no.
Okay.
I am talking of dishonesty.
Okay.
Our upbringing, our culture do not make us see what is good and what is wrong. They think everything is normal. This is not helping the youth. So I'm saying this, those who are listening, you take a cue from it. And when you are given an opportunity to work with the company, you take the job as yours. And marry your job.
Marry your job.
Yes, okay. Marry your job. Meaning you take it seriously. Work, because that is where you also earn your salary to take care of your family. That is where the business will grow for him to continuously employ you. If we don't do that, the business will collapse, there will be no jobs, and you go and complain that there are no jobs.
There are no jobs. So our educational system, our upbringing, which makes the youth dishonest.
Yes.
And the third one, as being something that the young people are going through.
What the young people are going through today, especially the graduates.
Okay.
The graduates, they feel they have a degree. So if I ask him to sell the awake water, how? I have a degree. Instead of going to work in the office, now you want me to go and sell awake water.
Yeah.
Is one. Meanwhile, the same person has a degree. When he goes outside the country, he becomes a security guard. The same person becomes a security guard in US, in UK, in Germany. We wash plates like I was washing plates in Germany. Okay?
Could it be the environment? I mean, in terms of the dynamics in Ghana, the dynamics in USA, Germany, and all that.
See, my brother, why some people have succeeded? Why? So it's not the dynamics. Well, if you say the dynamics, I disagree because it's not the dynamics. But the person who, or the youth who has completed university with his degree, will full sure going to set up a small place and sell awake water. But he doesn't know that when you begin selling water, when there is no job, it's giving you real experience in life. And you can build on this. Because I was walking on the street, selling PK, and they were, yes, PK chocolate, Tatra, Nazet, yes, Rob. Here we are, you call me early morning to come here to talk to the youth.
Yeah.
All I'm saying is that if you complete your first degree and there is no job in terms of what you learned in college or university, you can do any job to survive. The word is survive.
Survive.
Until you get a job that is befitting to your qualification. But staying home and not doing anything, my brother, you will not get there. And sometimes it is not even what you learned in school that will give you money.
Yeah.
By going to sell awake water, you become a distributor and later became, or you become a producer, a manufacturer.
Manufacturer, yeah.
That's how life goes. So I'm telling the youth that the mere fact that you completed university doesn't give you a gold that you are going to succeed in life. It's not true.
Yeah.
It is how you perceive life and the way you dream. It's very, very important.
Okay.
Then again, where I would defend the youth, to be frank with you, I feel so guilty as a politician.
Okay.
When I see things like that. My daughter completed Cornell University or graduated from Cornell on Saturday.
Okay.
And Tuesday, she started working. Before she graduated, she had a job already in America. I drove her from Ithaca to New York, inspected the place, and Tuesday she started working. And I come here in my own country as a politician, waited for the past 5-6 years,
10
no
years,
job.
even, no job.
10 years, no job. That's why I feel guilty as a politician.
You feel guilty because you've not done enough.
Yeah, enough to employ these young men and women coming up. So the scarcity of job or opportunities is a big challenge in this country. And to defend the youth, I think they are not empowered enough, because the programs, even MPP has started something, but it's still not enough for this youth. I keep saying the genesis of our whole problem in this country in terms of employment is that the system is not helping the citizens.
Ghana, we are journalists now. Kasa Jimmy near support you. Obi Kape, hey, quarter of silence, quarter of money. Why can I Japan can cry? Hey, na can I Japan? This man speaks the truth. Kwasia, when the day can I Japan ako court say on the Kuame Swali. Into Kasa Rasu South Force reportage, you know, a bomaya, Muntibida. Stupid fools, Muntibida. And then Namusari, I told the say, you people need an apology letter. You need to write to the people of Edra, any families are Omawuno, because Muna Muma Samob Nestati ye. Muna Muma Samob Nestati. That force reportage, you know, and the man mob at Edra, and my mom for Adisham Ewuye. Obian to me Cassan Quasiasam now, multimedia for it, you know, and your boy and people about power. Me see, journalists are more Ghana, we are worse corrupt than politicians, no. Mukita big stomach and a mudidi Jimmy Kwasia Jimmy and Kwana Mujimi. Yeah, journalist, and quenching journalists now Muyano. Multimedia, Missamuya Mua Namuguho. Mufa can in space. A honor Bianco Bida. Privilege what committee in Kwasia Sama. The man speaks the truth. A man for Namabonti can Jimmy Sam Munka hey. Can a go come here? Hey, Nakana Japon. And no Missi Mutisu Multimedia Mutiso. Mufa can anchor space. Now you as the money day. These people are not stupid. Omunjimi yo, omunya what is samo. US now modi letter nekon. Omunya muao. They will look into it. Uko jine jura sama uhu ya Erastus. We are journalists. Journalists bang. Journalists bang. My foot. Wako jine jura. I can trust them. Edi I say you to team. Ama omu buefu. Ema nipa will say. None of you in Ghana and I criticize it. But Ken Koka say. So what power and kube gwa Erastus Muntibida. Waka. Me see second what power and kebe gwa Erastus. Mumechi ngotum. Share to multimedia me see Kenaka say what power and kebe gwa Erastus any multimedia more for na muguono. Mo Jimmy dodo. Leave the man alone. Jimmy, then amoye, you are just causing chaos. Every day reportage Jimmy Musa. Asem kitwebi na Ghana journalists hide omo blotino. You make mountains out of molehills. Stones, no more manaya pebbles. Stones, no more manaya gravels. You are rather bringing Ghana down, Ghana journalists. Mu radio kitten na mo tititino BBC kura mpo sabi pa amfo. Mudi titi radio nkitingiti na mudi anyi na nkwasi asem ko na de bia mudi Ghana na mudi asho politicians. You are worse than politicians. You are worse than politicians. I tell you. Ghana journalists, you are worse than politicians. We are more corrupt than normal. Because muna mamo mukra corrupt. You go and dine with them.